This is Zach, and this is Yoga Science, and we're going to talk about the organic wave. And we're going to give the distinction, the different parts of the wave. The wave is all organic life, is made of this wave. And the wave is your human body. The wave is the sun. The wave is the earth. The wave is a plant. The wave is all organic life functions with this wave. So let me give you the distinctions that the ancient commissions gave to the different parts of the wave so that we have a replicatable science to use. And you'll see how everything maps onto this wave. So we're going to give each part of the wave a number distinction. So let's start here. We're going to call this the 0 point down here. And then the wave starts over here. So we're going to give it, here's 1. And then here's the number 2. And remember, these are just positions. To give it, these numbers also generate all numerology. So there's 1, 2, 3 of the part. Then we have the peak of the wave up here, the highest point, the highest amplitude of the wave coming over, and we'll come over with 4, then 5, and then 6. So we have this first arc, and then we come down to this part of the wave. 7, we're dipping below the midpoint. These would be the midpoints here of the wave. And then we have 8, 9, right? And then we're coming back on this side of the bottom point, back to the 0 point. So we'll give that 0 point a 0 number, which starts the new part of the wave. So that's going to be 10. And then come back up to 11, and then we come back 12 to the midpoint. Now the midpoint is the equinox, or the equal points. At the midpoint there is as much amplitude above from the midpoint as there is amplitude below, and that part of the wave is amplitude of the wave. The frequencies of the wave move from left and right. So the frequency of the wave, like a low frequency here at number 1, right, and then the high frequency here at 12. So you have a low frequency here and a high frequency here. You have high amplitude here, low amplitude here, this being the middle point right there. So each point of this wave, when we have it marked off, you'll see that all things grow with this pattern, and each section has a different 30-degree angle of light, and it has a different characteristic. So here is the number 2 characteristic, and then here's number 3 characteristic. So this could be, number 1 could be like 6 a.m. in the morning, right? Number 4 over here could be 12 p.m. And number 10 here can be 12 a.m. I'm sorry, number 10 here is 12 a.m. And then on this side of this wave, we'll call this 6 p.m. So you can see where each part of this wave has a number distinction. Now in the next video we'll show you the wave will give the zodiac sign to each one of these different angles, like that.